Love your garden but not gardening? Let the team of Green Giant Tree Felling do all the hard work for you. Green Giant Tree Felling can create the outdoor space of your dreams. The new services include tree felling for large trees that may be in the way. Don't have any trees? You're in luck. Aside from tree felling, the new services include landscaping and garden maintenance. This includes anything from bush clearance to scrub trimming and laying grass. Green Giant Tree Felling also offers a palm tree trimming service. Are you aware trees left to grow out of control can pose a significant health risk? Palm fronds can fall to the ground and may injure people who are nearby. If the leaves are left to fall, they can also become a trip hazard. Summer is the ideal time to transform your outdoor space, and Green Giant Tree Felling can help you. Find out more by visiting https://www.facebook.com/greengiant.